Hello, I am Darren from Miro AI Studio. Did you know engineering teams can add code directly to Miro boards? Let's see how. Click Tools, Media and Integrations on the left toolbar and search for Code Block. Click anywhere on the board to place it. Paste your code and it displays with syntax highlighting and formatting. Code blocks support over 18 programming languages, including JavaScript, HTML, Mermaid, C++, CSS, and more. Click the code block to open the context menu. Choose your programming language from the drop-down for proper syntax highlighting. Toggle line numbers on or off for easier reference. Adjust font size for readability during presentations or collaborative sessions. Keep code and context in one place instead of switching between tools. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss new Miro tutorials for engineering teams.